Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks into simple, straightforward steps. Today, we're diving into something super basic but incredibly important: how to log out of your Amazon account in 2025. Whether you're using a shared device, want to enhance your online security, or just need a fresh start, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet. If you're on a computer, head to the Amazon website and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for your account icon. It's usually in the top right corner, shaped like a person or a drop-down menu. Tap or click on that, and you'll see a menu pop up with various options. Next, scroll down or look for the Sign Out or Log Out button. It's often at the bottom of this menu for easy access. Go ahead and select it. Amazon might ask you to confirm, especially if you're on a mobile device, so just hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. And just like that, you're logged out. But wait, there's a bit more to it. If you're using the Amazon app, make sure to close the app completely after logging out to prevent any background access. On the website, clearing your browser cookies can add an extra layer of security. It's a good habit to get into. Remember, logging out is a smart way to protect your personal information, especially on public computers or when handing over your device. One more thing. If you're using Amazon on multiple devices, you'll need to repeat this process on each one. It's quick and ensures your account stays private. There you have it, folks. Logging out of Amazon in 2025 is as easy as pie. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.